Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add a featured video to your YouTube channel using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open YouTube Studio on your PC. You can access YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Next, select the customization option from the left sidebar menu. Step 3. In the Layout tab, you'll find various options to customize your channel's appearance. Scroll down until you find the Add Featured Video section. Click on the Add Featured Video button to proceed, and there you have it. You have successfully added a featured video to your YouTube channel using your PC. This will help showcase your chosen video prominently on your channel's homepage. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.